Now this is the second time we made this video. The first time we didn't have any sound and Mom's kept saying, when are we going to make it again? She loves this recipe. So let's go ahead and make it again here real quick. We're going to make some Moo Shue pork. We're going to start off with half a cup of hoisin sauce. Just quite a bit. We're going to top that with 1/4 a cup of rice wine vinegar. Two tablespoons of our oyster sauce, which I put my fingers in on accident. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Two tablespoons of minced garlic. And 1 teaspoon of sesame seed oil. Sesame seed oil. Let's get the right one here. We're going to just give that a nice mix. Those flavors smell really, really good. Now, if you like these recipes, please like, subscribe, and share. Comment. Tell us where you're from. We get some people from so many different countries that watch us, and we really appreciate it. All right, in a bowl, we have already cut up 1 pound of pork, and this is going to just be a pork tenderloin, and we've cut into small, thin strips. That's 1 pound. Let's stick that in our bowl. We're going to take half of our marinade, pour it in there, and we're going to let this mix this up, make sure everything is completely coated, and we're going to let it sit for 5 minutes. In our skillet here, we're going to place 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And we're going to heat this up just for a moment. In our cup here we've got 2 eggs. We're going to scramble those eggs there real quick, or mix them in together really well. Once we get those mixed together really well, we're going to pour those in our pan. We're just going to make some really quick scrambled eggs. Now this part doesn't take very long. Basically all we're doing is making some really fine egg here. We're going to put that over here in a pan. While making a mess, Mom's having to hold my plate there for me. Alright. Once we get that cooked, plate moved out of the way, we're going to take our pork here, pour it into our pan, and we're going to cook this roughly 5 to 6 minutes until our pork is cooked completely through. Alright, all of our pork is done. We're going to put it on the same plate as with our potatoes, our eggs, I'm sorry. Alright, now using the same pan, we're going to put another tablespoon of olive oil in. We're going to put a 14-ounce package of coleslaw. Eight ounces of sliced mushrooms. 4 green onions that you want the green parts only, and you want that thinly sliced. And we're going to saute this roughly 3 to 4 minutes. You still want just a little bit of a crunch in this whenever after that 3 or 4 minutes. Now we're going to add the rest of our marinade. And we're going to cook this for another 2 minutes. After a couple of minutes, we're going to re-add our egg. All right. Just let that warm up just a little bit, and then we are done. We have our delicious Moo Shue pork. Enjoy.